this video we learn another uh, toolpath operation is named equal Scallop. Right click, new toolpath, 3D high speed toolpath, equal Scallop. And I would like to machine this surface, the surface on the top only, and I will select Ctrl A for all surface for avoidance, and the machine surface we select that surface and select it. The tool close the offset, tool tip we can do at contact point, we call it angle, maybe it's not always on the tool tip, and center and tool. I'll do the core in bone ball, we do core in ball and mill, SSM 200, spindle speed 1.5 thou per tooth. The holder, keep this same, we don't need to change one, but actually we only need hang out about 1 inches about this one, for that enough. One way first, one way step over, keep it first, linking, I'll keep this, plane top, coolant on air, and regenerate it. That's how run it over here, and I should be make the smaller or step over, make it nicer. This is step over, I'll do 3 scallop, and smoothing, we do smoothing, and this is run only one way, we run the down mill. Okay, it run the multi-threading right now. Okay, really smoothly, very fine. This is approximately a loss occur because it's really close over this. That's okay. very close. This one. I'll turn off this. It's only alert when it's collision occur. It runs only from top down. And this because I didn't see this one. It should be put the 0 over here for finish. Sorry about that. Okay, and run the verify again. Let it run slow first. Here we go. It run only so apart, very smooth. Put it 2007 122 okay, and we compare. Very equally. That's the operation equal Scallop. Thanks for watching.